The first thing I'm going to do is label everything with the correct names for the ratio. So that's A is sine, so it's opposite and hypotenuse. That's tangent, so it's opposite and adjacent. B is cosine, so it's adjacent and hypotenuse. And D is tangent, so it's opposite and adjacent. Tells me RS is 22 and RT is 28. I don't have the missing side. Now I can look at the fractions and easily see that it must be square root of 300, but I should really check it to make sure, because if the person writing the questions wanted to be a little bit more inventive, then they could put a couple of different things in there so you're really sure. So that's 28 squared because that's the hypotenuse. You can look Pythagorean theorem. And then I'm going to carefully 484 and 784. 484 plus b squared equals 784. So I get b squared equals 300. I take the square root of each side. And I'm just going to use the radical square root of 300 as my side. Right, so I've got the missing side, which is what I thought it was to begin with. And this one says which one is not true. So that means 3 of these are going to be correct and 1 is going to be incorrect. So now all I'm doing is comparing the names of these right ratios to the sides that are on the actual picture. So there's angle R. I'm going to label my sides. Hypotenuse. Let me erase those that black so I don't have it on there anymore. Sorry. So hypotenuse, opposite, adjacent. Let's see. Opposite's 22. That's wrong. Adjacent's 28 is right. Tangent of R. Opposite's 300. Adjacent's 22. So that one is that one's true. And this answer is not true. So that one's out. The answer is almost definitely A. But let's check the other ones just to be safe. All right. So I've got cosine of T and tangent of T. So I need that angle right there. Label the sides again because remember the opposite and adjacent will change. So there's my sides. This says opposite radical 300 over adjacent. Oh no, hang on. I'm not reading this right. Adjacent radical 300, true. Hypotenuse radical. Hypotenuse 28, true. So B is true. All right, not the answer. Tangent of T, opposite 22 over adjacent radical 300, that's true. So C, B, and D all end up being true statements, and it says which one is not true. So the answer to that is A. Sorry for the mistake.